Live. My name is Carly and this is your bum workout. Okay, so we're going to start by going onto all fours. Knees are hip width apart, hands are underneath the shoulders. Think about having a really nice long spine here, so from your tailbone all the way through the top of your head. So try not to look down or look up too much to keep a nice long neck. We're extending one leg and we're starting with some reverse leg raises, really squeezing in. So have a little go if you haven't done these before. When we're doing this, we're thinking about keeping a nice, strong supporting side, okay? And keeping the frame nice and strong, no arching in the back. Okay, so we're gonna start. We're gonna do 16 raises on one leg. So you can start any leg first. Point your foot so we can really push lots of energy out of the feet. Ready? Up we go. Up and down. Up and down. Good. Keeping the core nice and strong. That's 4, 5, 6. Good. 7, 8. And down. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Okay, bend the leg for me. Get a right angle with your knee. Flex the heel and we're going to pulse up for 32. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Really squeeze the bottom as you're doing this. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, extend the leg down. We're doing 8 more lifts. Single lifts, off we go. 1, down, 2, 3, good, really squeezing the bottom. 4, 5, keep nice strong core. 6, 7, 8, flex the foot, bend. We're pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Stretching the leg out again. Let's do 8 singles. 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex the foot. We're pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Bring it down. Just reach the hips back for me. Just have a little rest. Rest of the back. Good. And coming back to all fours. So really thinking about pushing the shoulders down, keeping a nice strong upper body during this as well. So changing legs. We're starting with 16 raises. Off we go. And up. Down. 2. Down. 3. Good. 7, 8. Good. Keep the hips nice and square during this. So think hip bones facing the floor the whole time. Try not to open up the hips. 4 more. 3, 2. Let's flex the foot. Let's go straight away. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretching the leg. We're going for singles again. Off we go. And up, down. 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice strong core. 7, 8. Flex the foot. Pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Extending the foot down. Okay, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Should really be feeling it now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bending the foot, right angle, heel flex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Bring the knees together. Relax down. Stretch out the back. Good. Should really be feeling this in the bottom now. Okay, stay where you are. I'm going to face you just so I can demonstrate. We're doing side raises of the legs, okay? The most important thing to think about when we do this is keeping your supporting side straight. Try not to sit into that hip, okay? You've got to imagine like your body is against a wall, okay? And you can't let this happen. It means that you are also working this side of your bottom, not just the leg that's extending out. Okay, so we're extending out to the side. We're trying to keep our body as stable as possible, as square as possible, okay? Really trying to target just the glutes. Okay, we are doing 16, no, I lied. We're gonna do 8 on each side, okay? Starting with whichever leg first. Okay, so prepare your body. Hips, knees in line with hips again. Remember, hands completely underneath the shoulders. Okay, let's go, off we go. We're doing 1 and down, 2, good, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, changing sides. 1, 2, 3, really supporting that side, the supporting side. 2 more, good, 4 on the other side, we're going 4, 3, 2, 1, other side, 4, 3, 2, 1, for 2, 2 on one side, 2, 1, other side, 2, 1, other side, 2, 1, last time, 1, 2, good, okay, resting there, sitting back onto the heels, just stretch out really nice and quickly, good. Okay, just to finish off with, choose a side, any side, we're lying down, okay, feet are bent, our knees are in a bit of a right angle, we've got ankles, heels, hips, shoulders all in line, we're resting on our hand, we're keeping the belly supported here, so we're still engaging the core lots, and we're using this top hand to help us balance. So we're keeping the heels and toes together, and we're squeezing the knee as wide open as we can, and we're really squeezing the bottom every time, okay? We're going to finish off by doing 16 on each leg, okay? So off we go. We squeeze and down, squeeze and down. Good, 3, 4, keeping the hips nice and forwards. 5, 6, good. 7, 8, keep going. 8 more. 8, and down. 7, and down. 6, really squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it there. Let's hold it here. Just think about squeezing, like a static position. Really squeeze it here for 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Okay, just while you're resting, make sure when you do this exercise that we're not opening the hips out, okay, in an effort to get that knee high. The whole point is that we keep our hips absolutely straight forward. We're just using the muscle behind here to squeeze that leg open, okay? That's too easy. We have to make it harder for ourselves, so keep those hips nice and straight. Good, okay. Once you've had a rest, switching legs. So remember, heels in line with hips, in line with shoulders, supporting our head here on our hands. You can also do it lying down if that's more comfortable for you as well. Just check before you lie down though that everything's in line. Okay, using this hand to support yourself, supporting the core as well, lifting up here in the torso. Ready, let's do our 16. 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze, and down. Good, up, and down. 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, good. 8, really squeezing the bottom. Keep the toes always, if your ankles come apart, that's fine, as long as you're keeping the toes together. 4 more. 4, really squeeze it. 3, keep hips forwards. 2, good. 1, hold it here. Okay, let's just squeeze it here. Ready, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, good, and relax it down. Good guys, just roll onto your backs for me. Give your legs a little bit of a shake. Okay, good. Well done guys. That is your bottom workout. Enjoy the rest of your day.